We go to news now in politics. More evidence this evening that the governing Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, may be preparing for a snap election. The party held an Area Council 3 meeting yesterday at Porus Primary in Manchester.
There's been speculation that if Peter Bunting defeats PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips on September 7, the governing JLP could call a snap election. No specifics on the JLP's political platform, but they're taking note.
What them are going with is none of our business. We must keep out of it. Because all of us know that if you name Peter and you're PNP, you're Andrew Preke. So no matter which one come true. But it's none of our business. We must take care of our business.
And so JLP Chairman Robert Montague has launched what he calls Operation Preke.
Prepare, remember, enumerate, knowledge, expose, and hope.
Everybody has targets. We're working to numbers. And you must have numbers for September 29, right? Yeah, it's coming now. Numbers for September 29. And that is not to say anything is happening. I don't know anything more than you. But we must always be ready.
And therefore, Area Council, the party has mandated that the Area Council must audit every division. Must place councillors, caretaker in every vacant division. All the little rare about who must run seat or who not run seat, we need to settle it. Because Labour Party know how to settle these things in our house without go a road. The days when we carry dirty linen go a road over a long time. We have to show maturity and we have to show that we are ready to manage the party, thus manage the country.
And with that, Kamina Johnson-Smith listed achievements of the party over the last 3 years, pointing to a number of things, including the 1.5 tax plan and an increase in the minimum wage. But with corruption issues at Petrojam and the Education Ministry still fresh in the minds of many, she reiterated that the government is working to increase transparency and accountability. But back to the politics. The Rise United and One PNP camps have been trading insults on the campaign trail, leading to this observation from the JLP.
If your next generation of leadership, if your new political future, whether you are united or rising or whatever, is talking about Hitler or using hateful language about our race or talking about running people in them out of them constituency and who can't walk and which girl must take with themselves. If that is your next generation of leadership, or who tired to see anybody face, if that is your next leadership, then Jamaica is not looking to you.